combination of an adjective preceded by a noun with contrasted meaning. For example, cruel climate or living death. Examples of oxymoron are found both in casual conversations and in literature. Common examples from in everyday speech are the stereotypic open secret original copies. An example found in literature is the famous oxymoron sweet sorrow, crafted by Shakespeare.
Hello, my name is Judith. I'm going to talk about simile. Simile is a comparison between two online things using a word such as like, as, then, and resemble. Let's see some examples. She is like a rose. A rose is beautiful, and a woman too. You were as brave as a lion. If you have seen a brave lion, you know what is the meaning of these sentences. Thank you for your attention. Bye.
The other literary device is the understatement. Understatement is a way of speaking which minimizes the significance of the something. When using understatement, a speaker will often employ resisting and restraint on describing the situation and use an expression with less emphasis or of the strength than would be expected. Understatement is a figure of the speech employed by the writer. An example of understatement occurring during a plane crash. After our poor engine failing to the volcano ash, the captain the flight by the following announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We have a small problem. Our foreign engine has stopped. In this example, the situation is complicated. It's an emergency situation. As we see in this example, the intonation of the captain to the ladies and gentlemen in the flight is different than the emergency represents. The understand is this part. The less intonation and emphasis to the different ways in the real situation.
Can continue with author's writer style. A style in literature is a literary device that describes the ways that the author uses words, sentence structure, and sentence elements, or work together to establish mood, imagery, and the meaning of the text. The purpose is how the author describes events, subjects, and ideas. To understand that, we can think about fashion styles. Clothes can be formal and informal, okay? In this case, for example, literary style is like the clothes that a text puts on. By analogy, the information is like the person's body. We can dress a single text in several different literary styles. There are four: argumentative, descriptive, persuasive, and narrative style. Authors' writer style can have great impact on the piece in which it is used and on the readers. When authors write and put their ideas into words, they meet with a large number of choices, which include words, sounds, and sentence structures. How I said before. Thanks.
and hints that set a stage of a story to give the reader a hint on something that is going to happen without revealing the story or spoiling the suspense. Foreshadowing is used to suggest an upcoming outcome to the story. Let me show you an example. A professionally dressed woman hurriedly leaves the house, slamming the front door. She frantically searches for her keys in the bottom of a tiny purse while balancing a briefcase under her other arm. She finds her keys, gets in the car and begins backing out to the driveway, and then a slam of the brake. With only this information, we can predict the outcome of this story. The woman has forgotten something important at home, and she probably won't realize it until she needs it, maybe in her meeting. All these elements, like her closeness, behavior, are all clues that work together to foreshadow that will happen in her future.